to my face.
Hey guys, what is up? Today we'll be unboxing Triple S Acid Angel from Asia. I fell in love with them. I found their song and I fell in love with them, so I just had to get the album, you know? So let's start with this one first. I think this is B version. I don't know for sure, but yeah. So let's get into this. Let's open it. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, so this is what it looks like without the plastic. Let me check for stuff. Okay, so I'm going to show you the CD first. When I opened it, a lot of stuff just instantly came out. I'll show you how it opens up. It's literally like right on the first page. So I thought that was very interesting. So this is what the CD looks like. Ooh. I gotta put it back. Okay, so this is how it opens up. It wasn't here, but it's so cool, right? It was all right here and it just fell. So that was really interesting. I was not expecting it. So let's get into it. This is kind of a very thin album photo book, so be very careful with it if you are thinking about getting it. But wow, love the styling already. Oh wow. They are gorgeous. Oh, I love the heart bun. Wow. Love these photos. Again, be very careful with this page. It's very easy to break, it feels like. So I'm trying my best not to put it in any way that it can tear. Like, wow. They're so gorgeous. I love the fish in the back. They are so stunning. Wow, like my breath is literally getting taken away by these photos. Oh, I think we're already at the end. It's so short. Okay, so this is the lyrics. I love Rolex. I love that. I play that so much. And credit. So let's see what we got in this album. Okay, so first, I think this is a poster. Is it a group or member? Oh, oh, group. Oh, wow. They look so amazing. Wow. Okay, next is this. I don't know what it is. I'll have to look it up. I think it's like an app for them, I guess. So next we got stickers. Love stickers. Next, I think this is where the photo cards is, which I'm very interested in how they packaged it because this looks so cool. Like, it feels like I'm opening a Pokemon, a Yu-Gi-Oh pack, and I think that is so neat. So, oh my gosh, I'm scared to open it, but let's just do it. Because we're gonna have to. Oh no. I feel bad about opening it, though. What is this? Okay. Oh, okay, let me cover this. Hold on, because I think you can scan this. Okay, so this is who I got. Oh, wow. Love this. Oh my gosh. Love the rainbow too. So this is so neat. Next, I think this is the A version. I don't know for sure, so don't take my words so seriously like that. But okay, let's get into it. I'm super excited. Looks like it's already ripped at the bottom. How nice. Oh, okay. Oh, yep. Just right getting into it. Okay. So this is without the plastic. So let me check for stuff. Okay, so first the CD. Ooh. So it looks like, let me refocus just in case. Yeah. Okay, so again, how it opened up. Again, I think it's really cool because, you know, you're not expecting it, but the flimsy page I would be very wary of. Like, please be careful. But let's get into this. I'll refocus again when I get to a page. Wow, this is, love the fur. I don't think those are boots, but leggings, leg warmers. Okay, so let me refocus just in case. Hopefully you can see. Wow. That is amazing. Like, wow. They are so gorgeous. Like, this is stunning. Like, this is so... I cannot wait for the... I saw people say they teased another subunit. I cannot wait for that. Because I just cannot... Like, maybe it's going to be a whole different concept from these girls, which would be very interesting. Wow. Love, like, the white eyeliner. That's a nice little touch. This is so neat. Like, they are so gorgeous. I know I sound like a broken record, but they are just so stunning. Like, wow. Why was it so overexposed? Let me refocus. Like, why is that so... Sorry. And we're at the credits and lyrics already. Let's see what's in this album. Okay, so again, I think this is a group poster. Yes. Let me refocus for you. Like, wow. Amazing, like always. And again, we have this like ad for their app. NFT, no. Then we got stickers again. I think they are the same. I don't see any difference. Now the card. This again, this is so cool because it feels like I'm back in my younger days, opening Pokemon cards. Okay, so let me, hold on. Okay, let's see who I got. Oh, wow. That is amazing. Stunning. Okay, so thank you for watching me unbox Triple S's Acid Angel from Asia, their first mini album, single album. I forget, but their first like debut as a unit. Subscribe if you want, like if you want, and yeah, bye.